Dear scholars, let us see activities given in English workshop based on the lesson Papa Panno's Special Christmas. Here we go with first activity. It is write homophones of the following words in the story. Homophones means words which sound the same. Here homo means same and phone means sound. The words which have same sound but the spelling and meaning are different. Such words are said to be homophones. For example, no. So the word KNOW has same pronunciation. No, no. But the meaning and spelling of both these words are different. Second, dear. DEER, dear. First deer means loving, and next means one of the animals. Third one, here. HEAR, here. First here it is showing place, one of the adverbs, and next HEAR here means it is one ability of human being to listen. Next, went. It's a homophone, VENT, went. Next is pear, PEAR. New, NEW. Threw, THREW. Soul, SOLE, and whole, HOLE. So this is what about first activity, that is related to homophones. Next activity, correct the following sentences and rewrite them. So sentences given below are wrong, false, that we have to correct. First example, the best shoes that Papa Panno had made were a pair of lady shoes. What is wrong in it? Lady, right? So were they a pair of lady shoes? No, it's not. It is of baby. So in place of the word ladies, you have to write baby. Second, Papa Panno gave hot soup to the sweeper. It is wrong. Milk to the young mother. It's also wrong. And coffee to the beggars. So all these are written with the wrong arrangement. So answer is what? Papa Panno gave coffee to the sweeper. Next, milk to the baby, and soup to the beggar, right? So in this way you have to find the word which is making the sentence incorrect, and that word you have to replace, word or words you have to replace to make the sentence correct, so, taking help of lesson. Next, write a character sketch of Papa Panno in your own words. It is what you have to write. How was Papa Panno? So let me provide you some help. You can write about his age, that he was old. Next, his family members, that he was living alone. Next, his cheerfulness, kindness, helpfulness, right? How he helped to needy, that you have to write. So you frame small sentences about his character and write his character sketch. Fourth one, write your own interpretation of the story. That is what did you find in this story, or what message you get from the story, that you have to write. So as we saw, Papa Panno was willing to serve for Jesus, right? And according to his dream, he was going to meet Jesus next day. Actually, Jesus didn't come own, but some needy person, that is the sweeper, the baby and its young mother, and also the beggars. So Papa Panno helped them, and then he came to know that to people he helped, they were nothing but Jesus. So what is the message of the story? It is what? We must help the needy people. Whenever it is possible for us, at that time we should help the needy, because service to man is service to God. It is simply the interpretation of the story. Next, do you know of similar stories in your mother tongue or in other languages? Narrate it in short. So you have to write similar story. Yeah, the message of the story is service to man is service to God. So you have to think of such a stories from your mother tongue or any other language, and those stories you have to narrate in short. You have to write in short how someone helped to other, that you have to write as a part of this question's answer. Sixth one, gather more information about cold winters in Russia. So for this I would like to suggest you browse on Google and find cold winters, information about cold winters in Russia. Next, which season would you say is the hardest in your locality? What help would the people and poor and homeless people need in that season? You can think of the season which is hardest in your locality, in your in the region where you are living. For example, if you think of monsoon, I would say that monsoon is the hardest season in my locality. Further, how poor and homeless people need help in that season. So I know that there are many people who are homeless in my locality. So in the season of rain, that is monsoon, they people need home, roof to protect themselves from the rain. Moreover, poor as well as such a homeless people needed to be helped to have their diet, to have their food, and something more can be written. So this is what all about all the activities given in English workshop based on the lesson Papa Panno special character. I hope the given explanation and some of the answer you will find helpful while writing the answers or while doing all these activities in notebook.